Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to resize a PDF to 18 into 24 size. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select a Resize option. You can choose a custom point and select inch. You can put here 18 into 24 and select all of this page and select OK. And see this, our PDF file now resize 18 into 24 and select file option and check document properties and this is and undo it, and again I will show you resize option and select standard option and standard dialog box and scroll down. At last here you will find this 18 into 24 and is and see this and select OK. This is our PDF file 18 into 24 and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.